How to log out. Your Facebook from all devices 2025. Open the Facebook app on your mobile phone after opening the Facebook app. Click on the menu option in the top right corner of the mobile screen. After clicking on the menu option, scroll down and click on the Settings and Privacy option. When you click on the Settings and Privacy option, a drop-down menu will open in front of you. Click on the Settings option here. After clicking on the Settings option, click on the Account Centers option at the top. Now go to the Account Settings section below and click on Password and Security. After clicking on the Password and Security option, click on where you're logged in now that you have the Account section in front of you. Click on the name of your current device here. Now that the Account Login Activity section has opened, click on Select Devices to log out in red at the bottom. Then click on the Select All option at the top. Now click on the Logout option below. Click on the Logout option again. For confirmation, now you can see that the message below has appeared. You have been successfully logged out from all devices in this way. You can log out of Facebook from all devices.